By connecting Desku with Telegram bot, you can automate the support with power of AI. Simply drive the chat with custom recipes or connect with a live human agent directly. Let's see how to create a Telegram bot and connect with Desku. To create a bot in Telegram, search for the bot named BotFather. Make sure you are selecting this one with a verified badge. After clicking the Start button in its chat, you will see the list of available commands. Click on New Bot. It will ask you a couple of questions regarding the bot. The username is the one that helps the visitors to search for this particular bot. Make sure it's unique and distinguishable. You will receive the API token to communicate through this bot. Let's copy that. Open the Telegram integration page in Desku. Paste that API token in here. Specify the command to invoke the bot inside a conversation. The command name is your choice. Specify the message to show when the user enters a command but doesn't provide the input. Give it a little description of what the bot does. If you want to connect the Telegram bot with Desku's custom bot recipe, then you can specify that here. If you don't connect the bot, then it'll act as a live chat widget. By connecting Desku's automation recipes, you can automate many things like taking particular inputs from the user, funneling the users through multiple conversation flows, or using Desku's Eva AI to let the chat go autopilot. The cool thing is, you can train the AI with your data. Desku allows you to set your preference for AI to offer human handover. That's all it takes to launch your AI-powered Telegram bot with Desku.